Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to update Microsoft Excel 2010. Because Microsoft has stopped giving their update for 2010 products, we will be manually searching for its update. Go to the search bar and search what I'm showing on the screen, which automatically takes us to Microsoft's Update Catalog for Microsoft 2010. After that, we will see a 2023 update, which is the only and last of their update. And then we will click Download. After clicking the Download button, a new independent tab opens. That independent tab contains a blue text, which we are going to click. That button initiated the download of the exe file for our update. Now, listen carefully. This update is not secure and is not recommended because Microsoft have stopped their support. As for me, I've already downloaded the exe file, so there is no need to download it. I will be just opening the exe file that I downloaded, which initiates an installation of the update we started. And then we will check the box, I have read and accept the license terms. Then click Install, which starts loading screen for the process of the installation. After it finishes, we will click Finish. This indicates that we have successfully installed the update, and we will soon be enjoying our update. One more thing is that if we have already opened Excel, we must restart it. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again.